Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today we've got a beautiful little Bedford CA pickup, milk float, van, whatever you want to call it. I'll tell you all about it later. For sale. 1966 is the year, Bedford the make, CA the model. Let's have a quick look around it. So we'll start at the front, and this pickup, or milk float, whatever it is, actually started life as a tipper, and I've got some photographs of that. Where it had been totally rebuilt by two brothers, and it had been rebuilt using genuine panels. As you walk around, you can see the bodywork's in great condition, solid as a rock. Um, this back panel here is actually made of fiberglass, which I think is a good thing, because I remember on the old Bedford CAs and CFs, this panel always rotted, so it's never going to rot. Inside, the doors here, nice and solid, all steel, wheel arches, solid. Inners there, nice and solid. Moving into the cab, the seats, really nice condition. There's a period money bag for your when you're selling your milk. Like I say, the interior is in original condition. Some nice little features down there. Got your battery in here. It's like a new battery. 4-speed gearbox, this one, and it's on the floor, where normally they are on here. I think it's been on here, as you can see by that fitting, but they've fitted a 4-speed gearbox on the floor, which isn't a bad thing, because a lot of people don't like the column change. To me, it doesn't really matter. I'm not bothered, but a lot of people don't like it. Moving around the truck, you can see it's had this milk float body fitted, and it comes with the milk crates with the little pint and half-pint bottles. You may or not remember them, depending on your age. I remember in the infant school drinking them and giving them out. It's livered up as the Eastgate Dairy because the two brothers who had it were in the film job, so they hired it out to films, and they didn't just use it as a milk float, they used it as a dropside and also as a van, and I'll tell you about that later. The livery is magnetic, so you can just pop whatever you want on the side. If you want to go into the film job with it, I suppose you will be able to. This one's done a few films, I'll tell you about that later. Moving around the back, I've been underneath it. The chassis is solid. It's a really solid little truck. It's had all the work done on it. All the lights on the back are okay. They all work. Wheels and tyres are good. Again, this side, much the same as the last. You have a look in there. You'll have a quick look in. Nice and solid on the bottom of the doors there. Inner arches, nice and solid. As you'd expect for something that had been rebuilt. I've been told there were genuine panels they used, like I say. Whether they were or they weren't, I don't know, but they certainly look genuine. They're a good fit. Moving on to the little engine. Little 4-cylinder petrol down there. Reliable lump. We've had loads of these little things. They never cause you any problem. And for what they do, they perform okay. So, let's move in the office and we'll have a look at a bit of the paperwork. Now, this truck isn't all what it seems. Yes, it looks like a milk float. It's got milk bottles on. It's got a milk float body on. It's liveried up as a milk float. But, as I said before, the guys who had it before us used it in films, in TV, and it's been in quite a few films. I've got a little list of them here that it's been in. It's been in Call the Midwife, The Crown, The Ipcress File, The Spy Amongst Friends, Three Little Birds. So it's been in quite a few things, and these guys, I think, made a bit of a living out of the TV work for it. It comes with another body that makes it into a van. So basically, you've got two sides and a back that you screw on, and the pickup becomes a van. But it also comes with some drop sides. You can take everything to bits, and it becomes a drop side. So really, it's 3 little trucks in one. I'll show you some pictures of what it did look like before the restoration, so you've got some sort of idea. So there we go. It was a Bedford CA tipper in various guises. Had the little screw tipper there, the old-fashioned screw. That's obviously the body as it was getting built, painted. So you can see the condition it was in. It's in a pretty bad state before they restored it. There's a load of pictures. As you can see, a little Bedford tipper there, and obviously being restored with new Bedford panels as stated. So that's about it really. It's a Bedford CA milk float, but can be a Bedford CA van or can be a Bedford CA dropside. So you've got 3 vans or 3 pickups in one. Well, let's fire this Bedford up. There you go, beats the key. Well, if you like this video or any of the videos we do or any of the vehicles we have for sale, please follow us on YouTube, like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, and like I keep saying, it makes us want to go out there and buy more unusual and interesting vehicles. Bye bye now.